This is Cajun Shrimp Alfredo. I like my sauce well seasoned, I like my shrimp well seasoned, and I made it spicy because you guys know I like to eat spicy. Wow, look at that. Look at this shrimp, it's huge. Big fan of that Cajun flavor. I control my sauce with reserved pasta water. Added some spinach, some mushroom to give it like a little mushroom flavor. Grated some fresh Parmesan cheese. My peel and deveined shrimp. I'm gonna season this with some black seasoning, Cajun seasoning, paprika. Marinate well. I like my shrimp well seasoned. I like mine spicy. On high heat, add olive oil to skillet or pan. In goes our shrimp. 2 to 3 minutes on each side, okay? We're gonna give it a flip. Go ahead and remove your shrimp. Now we're gonna add in our garlic and shallot. Butter in there. You know, I'm putting mushroom. Now in goes my heavy whipping cream. Ooh, I like a lot in mine. Look at that sauce. Some Obey seasoning. More flavor. I like mine spicy, so I'm gonna add some chili powder. Grate in your cheese. I like a lot in mine. Give it a stir. Bring the heat down to medium. Let this simmer, okay? I like a lot of cheese in mine. I'm gonna grate in some more. Ooh. Lastly, chicken bouillon. Taste it. Cook your choice of pasta. I'm gonna cook this till al dente. Reserve some of the pasta water so you can have the consistency that you want for your pasta sauce for later use. Optional, I'm adding spinach. Depending how thick you want your sauce. I have reserved pasta water that I'm adding. Your desired pasta, I'm using fettuccine. And put in my shrimp. Add in some oregano for a pop of color. I'm gonna grate in some more cheese. Ooh. I like everything saucy. Extra cheese, extra season. I like my shrimp season. I like my sauce season. I like it spicy. More chili powder. I like it mine spicy. Woo! Look at that color to make it beautiful. Ooh! Delicious, comforting. God, this is so good. I always begged my mom to make this for me, and she didn't know how. She only had to make Asian food. Growing up, I'm just so happy when I learned how easy it is to make. Oh, look at that. Ooh, look at the sauce just hanging onto it.